Yay, yippee! There is always no harm in trying new things. I am so excited. As you can see, I'm just all about the place with my new purchase. Yes, I got to know about Mega Look on YouTube, and I got many YouTubers give good recommendations about this hair. So I decided to log on and get mine. And as you can see, I got two types, the straight hair, and then I got the Jerry Curly in 16 inches and 12 inches for the Jerry Curly. And I realized that they are full, no shredding, no smell, true to their length, and affordable. Wow, I'm all about the place. Like, guys, if you want to know how I got this, keep watching this video till the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sherry Jean, and in today's video we are going to be doing a hair review. Look at what I got here. I got a mail from DHL. So we are going to be doing a hair review. Stay put and watch till I got on the internet and I was searching. I saw so many people make a review about Mega Look hair. So I have never really gotten a hair from Mega Look, but from the reviews I got, it showed that they got really good stuff. So I went and I ordered some hair, and I will be unboxing the hair together with you guys. I already opened it up. So, but today I'm going to go detail. So I got, it's already open. So I got two packs, two different hairs, one straight hair and one jelly curly hair in 12 inches, and then the other one is a straight hair in 16 inches. It says made in China, wig in 16 inches. Actually, when I look at other reviews, the Mega Look hair always comes in the Mega Look box, but mine, you ask me why mine came in DHL. Mine came in DHL because I ordered directly from the warehouse, from the wholesale house where they sell in wholesale. Though I'm not buying in bulk, but they give us in wholesale. So if you want to buy in wholesale, which is of course cheaper, I'm going to be leaving the link in the video below. Okay, let's start with the Jerry curl hair in 12 inches. So let's do the unboxing together. Okay. Oop. As you can see, it's still coming out. I said this hair is from Mega Look. I would reiterate that again, and it's 12 inches. It's very soft and it's very full, and I could virtually style this just with water. You can see here, I just need to do a little touch at the front, and this is what it looks like behind. I am loving this hair, and I got these for $74. In Korean won, that should be around 84,000 Korean won. $74. Okay, I think I like it. No smell, virtually little, no shredding, and then it's very full. I need to do a little bit of plucking, but that's it, guys. Let me try it. Second week I got is right here, and it's in 16 inches. So let's go ahead without wasting much of your time and then take it out. Okay, I don't know how true this wig is in length. I'm looking at it as if it's a little bit short, but this wig is an HD wig, and then that's what, and inside it's also the same, almost like a 360 but I don't know, it's a 360. Is it a mistake? Did they send me? Anyway, it's very soft and full. Very soft and full. Does it have two colors? Like it's very black here and a little bit brown. Okay. Same, it has got an elastic band. And I'm just gonna try it again. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I'm loving this. Like it's ooh, this is so good for the price, guys. Like, oh my god, I just have to do a little bit of plugging. I will plug in front and oof, 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 oof. Yes, and this was 94. This was $94 in Korean won. That should be, let's say, 100,000 Korean won. And I added, with this service, you have to add a sum of $30 for it to be shipped. I don't know if it's the new way for it to be shipped through DHL, because I got this just in 3 days. And guys, it's good. Like, by the time I take off the net in front and with the good glue, it looks so real. Like, I am loving this. Oof, oof. Still with a lot of excitement, I am here presenting the wig to you again the second time, but this time I'm sitting down. I just realized that maybe my standing up was not doing the wig justice, so I decided to sit down while I give a closer look of the wig. Also, you can see a closer look of the wig. You can see it's full and it's true to its length. Then you have the lace all round inside, and you have 4 pins inside and an elastic band to fasten it. This was really a great deal, guys. It was a great deal. Thank you.